Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure the iPhone is unlocked and connected to Wi-Fi or cellular. This avoids delays when changing system settings. Once ready, open Settings, tap Privacy and Security, then Location Services. You must flip the Location Services switch on. This enables app-level controls. After you enable it, make sure you can see a list of apps below. That list is where you'll apply finer controls for each app, so don't skip this step. Now you'll go app by app. Tap an app from the Location Services list and pick Never, Ask Next Time, while using the app or Always depending on need. Make sure to toggle Precise Location on only for apps that require exact coordinates, like maps or delivery services. Otherwise, leave it off to preserve privacy. Also review Share My Location inside the same menu and confirm Find My Settings if you use device sharing. These choices balance convenience, battery, and privacy. Finish by checking the status bar for the location arrow when apps access GPS. This confirms settings are applied. Next, scroll to System Services at the bottom and enable or disable diagnostics like emergency calls and SOS, or location-based alerts as needed. If something still seems off, go to Settings right arrow General right arrow Transfer, or Reset iPhone right arrow Reset Location and Privacy. This clears all location permissions so you can.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.